Visual Paradigm Online AI Generator supports you in creating a fishbone diagram in just a few clicks. In VP Online, log into your workspace. Click the Create with AI button, then select Fishbone. Enter a description of the diagram you want to generate, and press Generate Fishbone Diagram button. A diagram will be generated below. If you want to highlight specific areas or causes, add them to the description. And generate the fishbone diagram again. They will be reflected in the generated diagram. You can then customize and save the diagram by clicking the View or Edit Diagram button. All text content in the diagram is editable. For styling, you can easily apply a new theme to change the overall appearance. Further adjustments can be made under base style, such as changing node padding. You can also customize individual nodes under node style. When finished, export and download the diagram in the format that fits your needs. You can also save it to your workspace and reuse it anytime.